Hey guys, so welcome to the second part of clubbing of income. So let's start. Clubbing of income of different person. Section 64, subsection 1, income from asset transferred to spouse without consideration. Where any person transfers any asset other than house property to his or her spouse without consideration or for inadequate consideration, income from such asset shall be clubbed with the income of the transferor. Some important notes. Where a person transfers any asset to his or her spouse for inadequate consideration, only that portion of income from the asset shall be clubbed which relates to the amount of inadequate consideration. Second, clubbing provision would not apply where any person has given a loan to his or her spouse. Asset invested by spouse in business income. Case 1. Amount invested in a proprietorship business. Where any asset has been transferred by a person to his or her spouse without adequate consideration and such asset has been invested by the spouse in a proprietorship business, income from such business shall be clubbed in the income of the transferor. Please note this formula. Let's understand this with one example. Ranveer Singh started one business on 1st April 2019 with a capital of rupees 12 lakh, out of which rupees 6 lakh were given by Ranveer Singh to Deepika. Deepika earned rupees 5 lakh as a profit during previous year 1920. In this case, profit of rupees 5 lakh shall be clubbed in the hand of Ranveer Singh. Case 2. Amount is invested in partnership firm. Where any asset has been transferred by a person to his or her spouse without adequate consideration and such asset has been invested by the spouse in a partnership firm, interest on capital received from the firm shall be clubbed in the income of the transferor. Please note this formula. Clubbing provision to apply in case of cross transfer or indirect transfer. Mark this point as important. If there are two transfers which individually do not get covered under the clubbing provision, but the combined effect of these two transfers is to evade the taxes, in such cases clubbing provision would still apply. For example, Ranbir Kapoor gives an asset of rupees 1 lakh to Ranveer Singh's wife. Ranveer gives an asset for rupees 1 lakh to Ranbir Kapoor's girlfriend. In this case, income accruing from the asset transferred to Ranveer Singh's wife would be clubbed in the income of Ranveer Singh, and income accruing from the asset transferred to Ranbir Kapoor's wife would be clubbed in the income of the Ranbir Kapoor. Income from asset transferred to son's wife without consideration. Person can transfer any asset including house property to his or her son's wife without adequate consideration. Clubbing provision would apply in the same manner as they apply in respect of an asset transferred to a spouse for inadequate consideration. Thank you for watching. Wish you good luck.